Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can create a warp text in Canva. So here I've already opened my design on Canva and I want to make, for example, this text right here into a warp text. So you can just click on a text and then find effects at the bottom, and here click on shape tab, then choose curve. Okay, so here the text will bend like this. I'm going to adjust the position first, and after that you can also click on the curve options to adjust how much bend effect that you want to apply. For example, like this. Okay, you can just swipe it to the left or right. Okay, when you're done, just click on the cross icon, and just like that, that's how you can wrap text in Canva. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the thanks. Thank you.